We have now learned about bioprospecting and biopiracy. But why are these important to the legal field? Well, for starters, bioprospecting and biopiracy affect several areas of law. Patent law, where patent and bioproducts such as quinoa and soybean bring in billions in revenue. International law, because many of the bioproducts are concentrated in the global south. Trade law, with agreements such as WIPO. Human rights law, as illegally acquired biological source materials deny natives intellectual property rights to the traditional knowledge. And even land use, as governments in developing nations try to cash in profits of their resources by reserving fertile land to cultivating those crop gems. With all these overlapping areas of law, how does one solve a dispute involving bioprospecting that's bound to arise? This is precisely why learning about bioprospecting is so important. There's no uniform way to solve disputes. For an enterprising attorney, this could actually be a future specialized area of law. Finally, the reason why learning about bioprospecting is so important is being fueled by one group of people. Yep, you guessed it. Millennials, people like me. At 75.4 million, millennials have surpassed the baby boomers as the largest living generation, which means that millennials are now the driving force of the economy, not only in the US, but worldwide. And one thing millennials are known for, apart from the occasional whining, is wellness. Millennials exercise more, eat smarter, and smoke less than previous generations. They use apps to track training data and online information to find the healthiest food. And this is the one space where they're willing to spend money on compelling brands, which influences the trends in the food economy. Multinational companies have taken notice and are willing to capitalize on millennials' dedication to eating right. This is what is fueling bioprospecting and eventual biopiracy, as these companies search far and wide for nutritional gems. This presentation will now focus on one case study, teff in Ethiopia.